What if the problem isn't your thoughts, but how you react to them? The monkey in his mind. Kumo couldn't stop thinking. From the moment he woke up, his mind was already running. What if I fail? What if they judge me? What if everything goes wrong? Thought after thought, jumping wildly, like a monkey. At work, he couldn't focus. At home, he couldn't rest. Even in silence, his mind was loud, always moving, always worrying, never still. One day, exhausted, Kumo traveled to the serene monastery. Hidden among quiet hills and whispering trees, it was known as a place where restless minds found peace. There, he met a gentle monk, Ajahn Brahm. I can't control my thoughts, and they never stop.
Good.
Good? This feels like torture.
Ajahn Brahm pointed toward a nearby tree. On its branches, a monkey jumped wildly from one branch to another.
Restless, unsettled. That is your mind.
I already know that, Ajahn. How do I stop it?
Ah, you don't.
Then what am I supposed to do?
Ajahn Brahm picked up a bowl of water. The surface trembled, rippling from the slightest movement.
Look closely.
Kumo leaned in. But the more he tried to focus, the more distorted the reflection became.
No, don't touch it.
They sat in silence. Seconds passed, then minutes. Slowly, the water became still, clear, calm.
You didn't fix the water. You simply stopped disturbing it.
Kumo sat quietly. For the first time, he didn't fight his thoughts. He didn't chase them. He didn't push them away. He simply watched. Thoughts came, thoughts went, like clouds passing through the sky. And something unexpected happened. The monkey began to slow down, not because it was forced, but because it was no longer being chased. Days passed at the monastery. The wind moved gently through the trees. The world felt quieter, and so did Kumo. His thoughts didn't disappear, but they no longer controlled him. Because he finally understood, you don't calm the mind by fighting it. You calm it by not feeding it. Final message, Ajahn Brahm style. Ajahn Brahm smiled gently and said,
The mind is like a monkey. The more you chase it, the wilder it becomes.
Final message, sit still, and the monkey will sit with you.